Do you like my cardigan? It's from the maternity episode of StitchFix, which this is not a maternity episode. This is a straight size episode, and cat! And I wanted to kind of mix it up a little bit and try to grab some more pieces. So, bless you, I am currently on my family plan. I have 3 different accounts going because I wanted to keep going with my normal stylist. I like her. I love the personal attention, but I want to see what else there is without losing her. And for some reason, my mind was like, another one. And I'm like, okay. So hopefully we're still finding some good pieces. And yeah, so I went with kind of the same sort of idea as the last one. So there's our little booklet, which we'll read, our little envelope, which we send back our not wants, because I am very, very picky. I think I wanted to go forth and get the cardigan because I got so much FOMO last time I turned one down. And I think it was a great choice. My little outfit for today, I thought it worked swimmingly. And, you know, it worked with a lot of pieces. So it's not something I would normally splurge on, but it was comfy. It was, I just almost said comfy and comfortable. Yes, indeed. I got off work today and had cuddles, and now I'm making a video. So I'm a little burned out. So let's open her up. Checking out some more workwear. This one is in a medium. It's got some cool detail. And I like the length of the sleeves. Interesting. I hate the print a lot, actually. But the detailing's cute, like the cloth covered buttons. I'm going to try it on. I will try on everything all at once, and we'll go over prices at the end. So first I want to check everything out. So this one is the Haley Layla dress in a large. Ooh, girl. That is cute. It's got some neat texture. The black is actually textured, and it is a thick material, so not lined. And a totally different, more of a sweatery material. That is cute. I'm looking forward to trying that on. Not sure if it's really my style, but it is cute. Ooh. 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 That is a nice open knit cardigan in an aubergine. Plus it's got like a heather color to it. Let me scoop in here. Can we see that? A little bit. So it is, gracious me, been in the high school this week. Whole new set of germs. So it's not as soft as the other ones, but I love the texture of the weave. And I'm hoping it looks a little oversized. So it is a cotton blend. Yeah, so I'm hoping that it fits oversized. Sometimes I don't know when I'm holding something up and something looks big, and then I'll put it on and it will be too small or fit perfectly, or, you know. And this one is more of a thermal material, and that's very casual. It's got a pouchy pocket here and a big cowl neck turtleneck neckline that goes like shoulder to shoulder. So it looks kind of cozy and springy. That's neat. but really doesn't look like my style at all. But this is a medium. And I remember what size we picked for this one. We picked a 12 for this one. I've told y'all over and over again, I am across the board, a bunch of weird sizes. So we kind of just jump at them. And they look like they're supposed to be a straight leg. Oh, they're supposed to be a skinny. Oh, I don't know. So I think that they are going to be too wide. Because I do have little stick legs. But it is another Liverpool one, which is pretty cool. I mean that, you know, there is a lot of stretch. They look comfy. And I like that they're a normal waistband. So, oh yeah, they are the same brand as the purple ones. So they're going to be super heckin' baggy at the bottom, which is unfortunate. But I will try them all on regardless. And we will take it from there. Okay? Okay. Okay, so I think that this one might actually run a little big brand-wise. Because I've got plenty of room, even with all the stretch. There's a slight amount of gapping, nothing crazy. But they are so long. They are over my feet all the way. Oh my gosh. So, get up here. Okay, there's all this extra. And then they're a little baggy, but really not bad. Like, as far as work pants go, that's not bad. It's enough stretch that it's like, it is comfy. I don't know. I don't think it looks bad. It just obviously does not at all fit on my lower legs. At all, really. But you zoom into Tum Tum Land. It holds up really nice. Here. Ditch my beautiful cardigan. And there's no gapping. Right? Good. Yeah. Kind of dig that. So I think we'll just toss on the sweaters. Have a look-see. I'm not going to bother taking everything off. So that is like immediately so comfy. But I'm getting like lost in it. That is very textured. Alright, so it fits well. It's cut up a little bit, but it is covering my body. Oh, it's so stretchy. Goes out to here, stretches to here. That's at the end of my reach. Anyway, yeah, the collar is enormous. I feel like it shows off the fact that I've got a little bitty toddler head on a bit of a rotund body. So, yeah, it definitely wants to like fly off the front of my belly. So I don't really find that super flattering. But it's a nice long length. Obviously where it's slit, it's flying forward and it's doing its own thing. Try it with the purple. Oh, it's so stretchy. Oh. Let's see. Oh, it's softer on the inside than it is on the outside, but it does have just a slight bit of itchiness to it. See the... Ooh, they unfold. Awesome. Okay, so it's got nice long cuffs. So if you've got long monkey arms like me, even though the sleeves are a good length. Oh my god, it's so itchy though. I'm freaking out a little bit. That makes me really unhappy because it is such a cool color. It's just a normal fall open front. There's no draping, not a whole lot of detail. It does have pockets. Oh, okay. I can't do it though. It's so itchy. Yeah. I don't know if you can see on the video. I'm getting red skin. I get hives really easily from like uncomfortable fabrics or weird textures. So I'm gonna change shirts. Okay, so this one's a little weird to get on. There's no stretch in it, so it just felt kind of strange. But meh. It's very meh. I don't feel like there's anything really super duper special about it. I personally don't like the pattern at all. Nice 3/4 length sleeve. It does have a little button on it, so I mean, I've got pretty skinny arms and it's pretty tight. I tend to like my sleeves like elbowy. A nice professional length in the back though. I like that. And it is falling nicely in the front. It doesn't make me look huge. Maybe slightly lower than I usually like, but I like my shirts up high though. That's me personally. Yeah. So now it's time for the dress. I went on a rant and I didn't record it. 1 second. Okay. All right. Just did a whole rant bang into doodle doo. Anyway, I like the way it's fitting on the back over the bum. The armholes are really comfortable. The neckline is really comfortable. It is a well cut and well made. It is stretchy. Okay, it's got a pretty good length. Okay. However, it goes like slightly shine through, but not sheer. It feels not great though. It has a lot of weird textures going on. This material is like it goes back and forth between being irritating and actually tickling, which is really strange. The black fabric isn't as irritating. It is very warm. But this one, it's heavily, heavily textured. So along the seams especially, but it's a little itchy. I am really not a fan of that at all. But I'm liking some of the cut. I think I would prefer it not being skin tight over the belly, but otherwise it's decent. So let's get dressed and talk about the dollars. Okie dokie. So, oof, I'm far away. There we go. Alrighty, Ruda. So, let's see what the stylist, Sherry, so I specifically said that I wanted to keep some solids and monochromes into my plan, that I wanted work-related pieces, and that I like to dress up a little bit, but mostly am going back and forth between work and home, right? Shocker. I like dressing up at work and that's about it. So, she's got a general idea of how to mix them up. Same as always, there are 5 different outfit choices. So let's see our prices. The Landon cow neck pullover. Okay. This big black one with the big black floppy neckline and kangaroo pouch pocket. Black, medium, $68. Going back. All right. The Layla knit dress in a large in the color choice black, $58. So actually less. That is less than a lot of the dresses that I've seen thus far. They're usually in the 70s, 80s range. So I was cool about that. That's really neat. But it's still like 60 bucks. And again, I didn't dig the feel of it. So, the Fun to Fun Melee Pleated Detail Top. Black in a medium for $48. I think that is far too high for this. It is a very generic top. It is a very generic kind of styling to it, even though it has some details. I feel like it is in every thrift store. You will find tops like these. It didn't wow me in any other way. So the skinny pants I assumed would be 78, and they are. So these are 12s. They are very, very long. They're very wide at the bottoms, so they didn't feel like skinny pants at all to me. I mean, they have that my height. I am 5'4.5". So I always put that I'm 5'4". Sometimes I put that I'm 5'5" because I dream big. But regardless, there were multiple inches of height that I would need to fulfill that, and I have, yeah. So $78 for the skinny pants. And then so very sad about this cardigan because the color is gorgeous. It's just listed as dark purple. Again, it is a nice aubergine. It's got some black marled in it. It's got pockets. It is called the open cardigan. It's not quite a shawl collar, but it is similar to that. It just doesn't have the floppiness to it. It is $68. So the overall cost of this box, if you were to purchase it retail, would be $320. Buy it all discount, which is 25%, is minus $80. So to buy the whole box, if you got this box, you could pay $240 and keep all of it. I will not be keeping any of it in this box. I was really hoping that like the cardigan would be comfy, but it itched me out. My skin is still angry. And I think that I really like a different style of pants. Like I'm wearing standard pants and they are the right length. I've never had this many issues with length before. So maybe because it's doing a plus size on my belly, or I'm like on the cusp of plus size and straight size, that they're like, oh, instantly you must be 7 feet tall. I don't know. So I will put my comments in on that and we'll see. So I think I'll give Sherry one more time, and just say specifically what I liked and what I didn't like. Because it seems like this is here, come talk to me here. It seems like it is a set person, like I could definitely see one particular person wearing these, but that person is not myself. So it wasn't really as jewel toned and pastel as I said that I liked, or as chic, but able to go from work to having a toddler as I would like. So I think I'll give her one more try, put in some comments about it, and I think that's it. Okay. All right. I love y'all so much. Bye.